Hey guys, Glenn Murray. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're brand new here, please hit the subscribe button and give it a like because it really helps the algorithm. My channel is growing so fast right now, so thank you so much. This is going to be my honest review of Passive Digital Mastery. This is a program by Fran Fields, and I've got some bonuses, so stick around to the end. But basically, I'm just going to walk through what I've found so far in it. I'm almost halfway through the course, and to be honest, it's probably one of the best all-in-one training courses. But even more than that, what I like the platform that it was built on. So the platform that it's built on is called Caphub, and I'll put a link to that. I am an affiliate. I'm actually going to be moving everything over to it. It's kind of like a ClickFunnels meets Aweber and ManyChat and SMS. It's got everything in it that you need. Now, what's interesting is I believe it's built on the back end of Go High Level, but it's been so customized that it's kind of its own platform. And what's really cool is that you get if you get their entry-level product that you can get there is, and I'll do a complete video on that, but you get 4 products that you can sell as your own, 100% commissions. And this Passive Digital Mastery is also 100% commissions. So if you buy the whole package, I think the whole package, I've got the system, it is a monthly fee, but then I've got the 4 digital products and I've got the passive Digital Mastery. So let's get into talking about the Passive Digital Mastery. It is by a woman named Fran Fields. I'm just going through her course now. I've been watching her on social media. She's done really well. And she created this course, which is 100% commission. So basically you buy it and then you can sell it. You can basically make it your own leveraging her success in order to use it. And it's really laid out nicely. And what's cool is that it's its own ecosystem. You don't have to worry about getting a school subscription to host everything is basically hosted in here. And basically you change a few things, you go through the training, you change a few things, and it's yours. And then you hook up a Stripe account to it and you're done. And they show you how to use it on different platforms as well, which is really cool. So this is it. It includes everything you need to start a thriving digital marketing business. There's a 6-minute video on this page for it. I'm actually going to be switching out to Fran's sales page, which is a little bit just updated. So I'll be switching it out to this one. But for right now, I'll just show you. Now I got to find it again. Oh, there's the course right there. 66 of 181 lessons I've gone through. So I'm about a third way through. Anyways, it goes through intro to digital marketing, gives you everything you need to know. It tells you how to find a niche. It tells you how to brand yourself, grow your influence, grow your empire, building your sales process. And then it gets into the actual software that they're using. It also shows you how to do it on system if you want a free system. But I'm on system right now and I'm moving everything over to Caphub because system is just not getting the mail delivery. Basically, mail's not getting through. Whereas what I've tried on Caphub, the mail is getting through. So that's a big thing because if you're going to have an email marketing tool, you want it to work. So that's why I'm moving away from system and onto Caphub. Yes, do you have to pay $97 a month? Absolutely. That is just an expense that you're going to need to do. Let me find the... this is the current sales page. This is the one that you get with it. And I'm going to share a little bit of the bonus right now. I will help you when I get the new sales page up. I will help you do this sales page. So that's part of the bonus to you. So basically you just put your image in. They show you exactly how to do it. You put a little bio in and then all of these click to the login page. And then that takes you to an email campaign, which is all set up for you. And then it takes you into the sales page. And basically, this is the basic sales page that it comes with. Now, the main thing I think is that's the back end of Captivation Hub, as you can see. And you can see you get these OPS master copies is really great. So going back to the complete course, what I really like about it is I like how Fran is like a no-frills instructor. She's also got a co-instructor named Lori that goes through a lot of the mechanical stuff, but the branding stuff and the digital mastery stuff is all done by Fran. Lori jumps in and does some of the mechanical stuff where it shows you the back office and how you're going to be doing it. I like it also when you're in the course, it has a video that you watch. It has more information about it completed and you move on to the next lesson. So you just can keep working your way through it. It's a really great course. And the best part is it's 100% commission. So you guys get to go sell this. There's also a community there's a whole community here. So you get, besides the courses, you get a Spanish version of it. It's got leaderboard members. I'm not going to show you the members. And then you have a full, robust discussion. Right now, this is what's really important about picking up this product if you want to make 100% commissions. And I'm going to talk about that in a second here, about why it's important to start making 100% commissions from an affiliate marketer standpoint. Right now, there's only about 3,000 people in this community. So it's really at the beginning, because there's ones that are already at 100,000, 200,000, a million members, and that's really saturated for that product. This is so tiny. 3,000 people in this community is just tiny. So this has got a ton of potential. And also how you're going to be able to take this and model your own course after it, which I highly recommend you doing, or model a small course that leads into this. Now, why do I find it, let me jump on here. So why do I find it really important as an affiliate to have something that has 100% commissions? Now, how do I explain it? Like, I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars online doing affiliate marketing, and what I probably could have made is 3 or 4 times that had been promoting my own products. Because what happens is you might promote a product of a creator's, right? Let's say it's a small product that's $30 or $50 and you make $25, and then they have an upsell for $100 and you make another $50. So you've made $75. Maybe they have another upsell for a coaching program for $2,000. So now you've made $1,075. Well, that's it. You're done. Like, kind of the end of you're going to make from that. But meanwhile, they're teaching the referral that you sent them how to get a subscription at Caphub, how to buy a domain, how to get a subscription at ManyChat, how to get a subscription. So they're selling them into all these subscriptions that they're going to continue to make back-end money on. Now, the other thing is, not all affiliate programs have really good tracking, where you might make like, let's say they buy a product on the front end and you make that $25 or $50. Then another affiliate and their cookie gets put in, and now they sell them into the big package. Well, you don't get paid on that. So it's really frustrating, because I've seen thousands, especially since OfferLab just got released. I've got hundreds and hundreds of my referrals that joined under another person because I had sent them as a referral to that person as an affiliate marketer. So I got to keep my customers in my ecosystem to make money. Like, it's great to share your knowledge and send people off to other courses, but you want to make sure they're in your ecosystem. So what did I start doing? I have a school group that you can buy for $200, and you buy my school group and put your products in there, so you earn all the commissions. Now, looking at doing this 100% commissions for Fran's product, where you earn all the commissions. You also, what I love about this, and let me show you, let me go back to this one. No. So let me go back to, this is what I really love about Fran's product, and this is what I think is really fair, and this makes, for me, a very ethical marketer. So if you look in buying Captivation Hub, you look at the very first thing. If you plan on purchasing Captivation Hub, first check with the person that you purchased from to see if they are an affiliate for Captivation Hub. If they are not, please click here. So she's telling you, like, the person that referred you to get the subscription from Captivation. That is, in my books, like, no, I'm dealing with an ethical marketer, creator with this product. And that's why I really recommend this product, because it's just, they're not saying, here, go get a Captivation Hub, right? They're saying, if you were referred here, go ask the person that referred you, do they have a Captivation Hub? And that way you get it. Also, when you buy the Profit Secrets, they have it, the whole workflow is all set up so that it goes and it spits them out for them to buy it through your links. So that's another thing. This whole company is based on ethics and making. So just a little bit, I'll show, like I said, I'll do a full video on this, but what I really like about this is it's all set up for you. Go in your funnels. They create all these funnels for you, master copies, AI secrets for digital marketing. It's all done for you. You just change a couple of things, attach your domain. They walk you through step by step on how to do it. And then you've got your own products that you earn 100% commissions on. So that's a really great thing. So let me go back to here. So in conclusion, is passive digital mastery course I recommend 100%. Now, here's the bonuses. I'm going to work with you You're going to get into my free school group, and I'm going to work with you, or sorry, my paid school group. You go into that, so you have access to me. I have a Telegram that's in there that you can access me as well, so you're not going to be left alone to do this on your own. And I have a surprise for you on the sales page, which will really help you out. All right, so what are you going to do? Click on the link below. Go get Passive Digital Mastery. Get set up. Because you'll be getting emails from me. Message me. I'll get you into my school group, get you onto the Telegram so you're not alone, get you into the community. I will be in the community with you, so when you have questions, they'd like, hey Glenn, I have a question, can you help me? I'm there for you. Okay, what you need to do. I'll see you on the next one. This has been my review and bonuses of Passive Digital Mastery. See you on the next one. Don't forget to hit subscribe.